We're right now outside the city of Boca Raton Water Department. So this is where they actually treat the water. And so what we're going to talk about today is what contaminants are in the water. What we know that's attached to the water droplet is hexylvalent chromium 6. Yes, they know that that's in the water, and they don't remove it because there is no standard for it right now. The government does not have a standard for hexylvalent chromium 6, and yet that's in the water. Also, what's in the water is attached to this water droplet would be trihalomethylene. We also have haloacidic acid number 5, haloacidic acid number 9, and also they have radium-228 and 226. Now that's natural radium that's percolating through the earth and attaches itself to the water droplet. Now what does the city say? The city actually tells you that if you're immune compromised, that would mean people that have HIV, people who are let's say elderly or infants. We get that a lot. People are like, it's okay if I make formula with my tap water, right? No, you want to really do some research. Now, unfortunately, the government on the water report says, talk to your doctor. And guess who checked with their doctor? Yep, I sure did. This guy right here, I checked with the doctor, and guess what they said? I don't know. So you have to do a little research, and you have to decide, is this a concern for you or not? Because if you don't want those toxins in the water, you should probably get something to get it out. By the way, they also say anyone who has immune compromise, that would be also the elderly. We're talking about people who might have AIDS, people who have cancer, anyone going through some different therapies. So talk to your doctor. Again, I did, and they said, I don't know. Sort of like everybody pointing fingers at each other. So again, if you have any concerns on that or questions, type them in the response below. Reach out to us because, as you know, I'm Drew. I'm here to serve you.